In primetime news this evening, 24-hour flash flood watch now in effect for half the country.
Justice for rundown courthouses. Government promises upgrades.
And Integrity Commission shrugs off auditing claims by MP as false. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Andrea, major improvements are coming to the country's two main international airports. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the revelation today. I'll tell you about that and more in the Business Day.
Thanks, Lug. And Jermaine Brown, what's coming up? This was a rainy day. How did that affect the sports?
Well, thanks, Archie. I'll put a damper on things, I should say. And where there's also a damper, it could be a while before we see Jamaica hosting CONCACAF football tournaments. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And the man of the hour, Romaine Robinson. Wet weather. What can you tell us?
Thanks, Andrea. Yes, we have been having significant shower activity and thunderstorms across most of the southeast. The heaviest that we have been measuring has been occurring across southeastern sections of the island, but we did see some shower activity across sections of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. I'll tell you what's really going on in the weather reporting forecast.
So pretty much water everywhere. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what was your experience with the heavy rainfall today?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.